Namaste children. Let us welcome back to our session. Yes children, in today's class we are going to learn only introduction of the Reader chapter 3. From the Reader chapter 3. Yes children, and also you have exam this Sunday. For the syllabus of this Sunday is chapter 3 from the grammar book. Yes children, is it clear? You have exam on this Sunday. Your syllabus is chapter 3 from the grammar book, singulars and plurals. There are 6 steps are there how to write singulars to plurals. Please learn those one, and also you should write exam very neatly. Yes children, let us go to our introduction. Before entering into the explanation, let us have warm up. Children, if you get holidays, where do you go? Yes, sometimes we may go to parks, relatives' houses, our friends' houses, or tourist places. Yes children, and also if you want to see the animals, which place do you choose? Yes, the place is a zoo. The place is zoo. Yes children, only you can find animals only in the zoo, no other place. Yes, there is a place. What is the place? Yes, it is a forest. It is a forest. Do you know another name for the forest? How many of you know? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. It is a jungle. Jungle. What is that? Jungle. The forest has another name, jungle. As children, here in this story, there are 2 children, boy and girl, and with their parents, they are going to jungle to see the animals. Understand children? Do you want to know the story about them? Yes, if you want to know, first of all, you should write hard words and find meanings of those hard words and try to read the lesson before the explanation. When you read the lesson, you will come to know the message, what is there in the lesson, what is the story about. You may learn little, but it is very important. Understand children? When the explanation is going on, you will understand the lesson very, very clearly when you read the lesson before. For that purpose only, we are asking you to read. Will you try? Yes, and also I will send you the answers from the grammar book which you have written. Please check those answers with your answers, those who have not sent to me. Understand? You have to write your exam very, very perfectly and neatly. Yes children? Yes. Okay? Yes. Hi children. What is the chapter? Chapter 3. A day in the jungle. A day in the jungle. In this lesson, first you should complete or write the animals' names whatever they have given. The names of the animals were given in the box. You have to select the correct one and you have to write under the animals the correct name of the animal. As before entering into the lesson, you complete this work also. Understand children? Kindly you read this lesson very, very clearly. It is very easy to understand. It is very easy to understand. I hope you will do this. Yes, children. Thank you. Hi, children. Let us review of singulars and plurals. Yes, children. When you take the first one, ending in s or sh, ch or x, it becomes, we end the word with es. Yes. Suppose, for example, if you write bus, what is the plural? Yes, bus says. When it is end with yes, like bush, bushes, ch, catch, catches, fox, foxes. So these are ending with es. When the word end with s or sh or ch or x, the plural sounds are ending with es. Yes, children, learn very carefully because you have test on these singulars and plurals. That is first step. The second step, ending in o but has vowel. Suppose it is ending with only yes. Yes, children, only yes. Ending in o but it has only yes. Suppose bamboo. I told you, but has a vowel. It is a vowel, but it has another vowel here. Is it not? The O is vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. This time, this plural word, bamboos, ending with only yes. Yes, children. And also cuckoo. Here also the same thing. It has a vowel. Whenever the last ending letter O has another vowel, it has plural with yes. Plural with yes. Cuckoos. Radio. Yes, it is ending with O. Ending with O. But it has a vowel. Then it is ending with yes. Radios. Yes, children? Yes. And again, one more step. Another same, ending in O but has consonant. When this O has a consonant, then the plural sounds are ending with es. In above, what did you learn? Though it is ending with O, but it has a vowel, then the plural sounds are ending with yes. In next step, ending with O only, but if it has a consonant, the plural is ending with es. For example, hero. O is vowel, but it has a consonant. It is a vowel, it is a consonant. How do you write in plural? Heroes. Yes? Echo. O, H. So, echoes. As children, next, ending in F or EF. F or EF. F or EF. But it is ending with only yes. Ending with only yes. Ending only yes. Proof. Only F. Proofs. Yes, children. Safe. Saves. Likewise. Only yes. Safe. Saves. But another one, changing EF, FE or EF into V. V. This fully we write in plural form VAS. For example, half. It is ending in F. Halves. This F becomes V, then ES. Halves. Next. Wife. Here FE. But when you write plural sound, wives. Wives. Knife. Knives. It is like that. Yes, children? Yes? Is it clear to you till this? And another one. And another one. Sixth one. Ending with Y. But has a vowel. But has a vowel. It ends with yes. Boy. Boys. Y is consonant, but it has a vowel. So boys. Key. Case. Like that. In seventh step, ending with Y, but has a consonant. But has a consonant. Then it becomes ES. Y becomes I. Y becomes I. The full form IES. Like baby. Y becomes I. Babies. Yes, children. Funny. Funniest. Funnies. Sorry, funnies. Funny. Funnies. Cookies. Cookies. Yes, children. If it has a consonant letter. Baby. Y also consonant. But it has a consonant letter before. Then it is ending with IES. Understand, children? Sometimes there are some words, they don't have plurals like this, same plural, but they say change. Like teeth, tooth. goose. Yes, children. Child, children. Children. These singulars plurals will not change according to the word we write. Understand, children? But according to that, we have to learn how to write singulars and plurals. This we should understand, these singulars and plurals. There are many like this. Only few things I have written. Understand, children? Once again, go through it and learn properly. Write your exam very neatly. Understand, children? Thank you.